Stand tall, strong man. Even when days feel long, you're still growing inside, learning to be strong.
Every challenge you face teaches something new. Step by step you'll see what you can do.
Take one small step.
Let your heart rise slowly.
You don't need perfection,
just try and grow.
you are a strong young man.
You rise again and again.
Even when it gets heavy,
Your heart still stands.
you are a strong young man.
Braver than the storm.
Lift your eyes,
Keep moving on.
your strength
Is growing from within.
remember each day
Brings a brand new start.
hope can shine again.
Inside your heart.
You rise every time.
Even after you fall,
That's how you grow brave.
that's how you stand tall.
Take one deep breath.
Let your worries go.
You're moving forward.
More than you know.
You
are a strong young man. You rise again and again.
even when it gets heavy,
Your heart still stands. You are a strong young man. Braver than the storm.
lift your eyes.
Keep moving on. Your strength is growing from within.
When the road feels heavy,
Don't walk away.
even slow steps count.
Day by day, you're not alone. Your strength is real. Give yourself time. Give your heart space to heal. Oh, stand tall, strong man.
Your story's just begun.
You're finding your power.
Learning how to run.
Brighter days are waiting.
The sky is turning clear.
Stand tall, strong man.
Your courage